Hello guys, this is Azhar Ahmad and today I came with the new video, and in this video I am going to tell you about how to make the resume. And today I am going to share with you how to make the coding and make the one for you. So this is how you are going to create it. You need to first come to the VS Code, and here I am sharing you the code with you. Let's start with it. And here I'm taking Streamlit as st, and from pil import image with open style.css I'm taking this as f and st.markdown, and I'm taking the style in the brackets, in the large brackets, and dot format f.read in the brackets. I'm closing it and closing the other bracket, and I'm taking unsafe allow hotmail is equal to true. Background color is equal to, I'm taking starting the commas, and here I'm taking the style body background dash color. I'm taking this color code. You can take any if you want, and I'm closing the style and also the commas. And this is how you are going to select the background color. Okay, so now this time for the header. Let's look for the header. You need to st.write, and here in the columns I'm taking the name and the details I'm forwarding in the resume. Okay, so you can add your own and you can describe your own resume over here. Okay, I'm taking the image is equal to image.open, and it is in the same folder. I'm putting the image in it. Okay, so I'm taking the full name and the with the format. Okay, I'm taking st.image and I'm describing the width, how much the width I want to make in the resume. Okay, so I am taking again st.markdown summary unsafe allow hotmail is equal to true. Okay, and in the info I am writing all the information regarding to the CV resume. I'm making it here, and the navigation I'm taking, because you know that I have made the navigation in the previous video. If you did not see, I'm giving you the link over here. You can just go through over it and see how I have created the one and how it is look like. So there are the navigation buttons in it. So when you click on the button, it will jump directly to that section. This is basically the code which I have written here. It is for the HTML if you have gone through. So I am not going into the depth, just I'm giving you the coding. You can see it and write it as it is. Okay, and I'm also sharing the link of the GitHub, so you can be also able to get the code from there. Okay, so you can just take it and customize it by according to your needs. Okay, so then after I'm taking again the class. Okay, navigation bar I'm taking. Okay, and again I'm using the home. This I have mentioned education, and then work experience, then project, then skills, and then social media. So I have created the links here. When you click on the education or the work experience, so it will come directly, jump directly to that particular space area. Okay, so I am mentioning here unsafe allow HTML is equals to true because we are making the HTML coding here. Now here I am defining a function. Okay, so what I am using txt a comma b in the semicolon. So it will be the column 1 and column 2, and here is equals to I am taking st dot columns. Okay, so the column will be I'm using 4 by 1 size. So with column 1 st dot markdown a, and with column 2 st markdown b. So again I'm using another, which is def text 2. This is the txt and this is the txt2, and again I'm taking the same thing, but the column size I'm taking 1 by 4 here. And again def txt3, I'm taking this column 1 column 2 1 by 2 size. st dot markdown a and b I'm using. After defining this function, I am going to define another function with the name of txt2, and also I am taking a and b variable. Column 1 column 2 is equals to st dot column, and I am taking 1 by 4 column. With column 1 I am taking the a variable, and with column 2 I am taking the b variable. Okay, so here I am again taking the def txt3. Okay, I'm taking another function. Column 1, column 2 is equals to st dot column. Again the same, but the sizes are different. Here 4 by 1, here 1 by 4, and here 1 by 2. And here in the fourth one, txt4, I am taking 1.5 and 2 and 2. So there will be a 3 columns in it. So with column 1 str markdown a, with column 2 b, and with column c I'm using. Okay, so here ABC, and in other 1 2 txt, here is AB, AB, and AB. So be careful when writing this. Okay, so here I am taking sd.markdown. I am using the education, and in the education I am making the first definition which I have make here, the def. See the txt, I am using the txt here, and I am using this as an heading here. Okay, I am taking the another thing. The one line is here, the second line is here. Okay, so in the st.markdown I'm using the work experience, and here again I'm using the same thing, and I'm taking all the details here which I have to use as an I have to display here. Okay, and st.markdown, I'm using the st.markdown, and here I'm taking more the details here. I'm mentioning here, and in the st.markdown I'm using now the projects, and in the projects I'm using txt4. Okay, so I'm using here all the projects, and if I have to use the links I'm using it as well. So you can see here, so you can customize it by yourself, by your things you can add. Okay, and here I'm using the skills, and skills I'm using here what I have. Okay, and in the last I'm using the social media. Here I'm using the LinkedIn, GitHub, email, and phone. So this is how it look like. This is the coding overall. So now I'm going to run it, so you can have a look on it how it is look like. Okay, so here I'm using this code. Let me run it. So this is a Streamlit run Streamlit underscore app dot py is the name, file name. So this is how it is look like. See, it is the name here, and these are the functions I have created: home, education, work experience, projects, skills, and social media. So when I'm clicking it, it is jumping over there, and when I'm clicking home, it is coming here. I hope you like this video, and if you have any question you can write in the comment. Please do like, subscribe to my channel, so you will have the notification for the new videos. Till then, bye bye, take care.